welcome back to the channel, man. It's your boy Six, man. We active, man. We lit, man. You know what's going on, man. We back outside, man. I told y'all what we had planned next for the car, man. I told y'all we was gonna slam the F30, man. As y'all can see, man, we got the F30 right here. Y'all know where we at, man. We at one dog wheel spot. Y'all peep, man, because I ain't show y'all, man. We got the carbon diffuser going. Car kind of dirty, but y'all see what I'm talking about, man. We got the carbon diffuser. Car looking alright right now. Wheel stuck conversion kit. Got my dog Will E93. My bro Nolan got 335, man. Y'all say what's up to the channel, man. Say what's up to the channel. Yo, it's my dog Will right there. Y'all see it, man. We finna install, man. I told y'all I was copping the coilovers, man. I ain't say what brand, man. We went BC, man. We went BC. Y'all see the vibes, man. Whole lot of.
Alright, take the trumpers out.
Alright.
What do you use to take the wheel off?
Look how easy that is. Wheel stuck conversion kit, y'all. This is what you need it for. Get your wheels off easy, man. Get your wheels off easy. That's all you need, man. That's all you need. So there's a bolt back there. That's the one you gotta like. Yeah, it's a 16. See, I got it painted.
Yeah,
This shit dirty.
Shit, yeah.
Yeah, it was just the front, the rear, and the side skirts.
Why didn't you end up wrapping the car? You said fuck it.
Man, I was good. Yeah, I said fuck it, bro. It was too hard, bro. Wrapping that shit was gonna take forever. I was like, hell no. I sat out here one night at Wheel Spot wrapping the rear bumper for like, I was wrapping that shit for like 5 hours. No, it was actually good. It looked good, actually. It just took me like 6 hours just to do that like rear bumper, and I was like, man, I can't do this shit. I was like, I can't do this whole car. I was like, fuck off. So I just went and got that shit painted. That shit look pretty clean right now.
The next thing we got to do is we got to take off the end link.
This is the end link right here. We're getting this screw off, but it's gonna spin, so.
What the pass-through will allow you to do, you put a ratchet on it, and then what you can do to counter hold it so it doesn't spin, you're gonna need a Torx. I think that's like a T30.
My boy 335 over here clean. That shit got a strut bar. Shit pretty clean, I must say.
T27.
T27 is that one y'all need for that. You got something I can clean my brakes with? These shit's dirty as hell right now. Gotta get this cleaned up for Orlando. As y'all know, gang, we slide to the Invasion, man. Whole gang pulling up to the Invasion, man. He not driving this though. You know he driving that 435. I'm driving this though. My bro driving this. Will driving that bad boy in there. We'll be down in Orlando, man. Catch us, man. If y'all down there, man, hit us up. We'll be out there. Y'all know you gotta take these 3 big bolts out of the top. In the back end, this part right here, we're gonna put a spreader tool in here to spread this open so that we can pull this out.
You can just leave the tool in there.
If you need this, I'm selling it.
You gotta install them. You got new ones? Why would you not install them?
Oh shit. Okay, so we didn't even know this kit, this BC Racing coilover kit comes with end links. So maybe that's why it's $1,200. You think that's why it's $1,200?
I think part of the reason why it's $1,200 is because of the quality, not because it has end links. You have this little pin. You got a little pin. You have to make sure that pin lines up.
That little pin should line up with that opening where we have that spreader tool in there.
Now all we have to do is take that out and that'll close that gap back. Now we have to line these up. Put your holes in the top.
This is gorgeous product, man. Gorgeous product. Sheesh. Basically just jack the coils up in place with these 3 holes up here. Yep, there it is. There it is. There it is, man. Now it's 3-bolt top mount for the F30, so there you have it. Now we're gonna, I guess, just do the end link, and then this side will be done. We're gonna have to do some adjusting, but
And there's a click. 1, 2. All right. So that's all the way to one side. You got soft and hard. So let's see how many clicks you have. Yeah, okay, that's all the way to one side. We're gonna spin it the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 30, 31, 32. Yeah, so you got 32 adjustments. My rule is set it in the middle. So then you can go either softer or harder, but you're right in the middle. So we're gonna go 16 clicks.
okay, that's
1,
the side, right?
2, 3.
It's 32 clicks left to right, so we'll start 16 right in the middle and then adjust from there. We got the right side in and installed.
Yeah, I don't know that. I got the key and everything. You never want to adjust your preload. You never want to adjust those. The only ones that you want to adjust, and this is for your ride height, is right here. So you just gotta find the spanner that fits. Okay, and you want to loosen it. Okay. So once you loosen it, you get it loose. Then you find the one up here at the very top. And you can spin this either to raise it or to lower it, depending on which way you want to go. And then you spin this back down, and you take your spanner wrench and you tighten it, and that's your ride height. And what you want to do is you want to measure this distance, and you want to match it on the other side so they're both the same level. That's how you adjust your ride height.
Gotcha.
So you only loosen this, and you never loosen these. They always stay together, but you always use the top one to turn it, to raise and lower.
All right, y'all, both for the front end. Coilovers are on. Just changed my brake pads. Just doing some slight things to get ready for Orlando. I can't wait to see what this shit look like when I put these wheels and we drop this down. I mean, this is pretty low. I can already tell that with the coilovers on, that is already pretty low. This is where the center of the wheel is. I mean, when this drops, it's gonna be, we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. I'm trying to see how low this shit is.
Let me know. It ain't that low yet. It ain't that low. We ain't off the grass yet. It ain't that low.
It ain't that low.
If you drive it, it's gonna be lower.
The wheel gap is definitely going. It's
It's gonna be lower than that. Watch. As soon as you drive it, go over that bump over there. That speed bump is going. You haven't on the back yet, right? No, we're going to put it back down. Your rear pad or your rear. Probably going like this.
no.
With them brakes like that.
No.
Oh,
No.
Your back are worse than the front.
I got rears on the way. They were supposed to come in yesterday, but they didn't come in. And I was like, I need to put the coilovers on. I already had the front, so. Yeah, no, it's probably my rears that are squeaking. Something was squeaking. I'm gonna come through solo. We're gonna do the rears. Gotta get that done. Shit looking clean though. I might not even adjust it if it's gonna settle.
Nah, it is gonna lower. Nah, don't do anything yet. It's gonna lower a little more. Yeah, it's gonna go down a little more.
Yeah, I might not even adjust it. That shit is clean. Like, bro,
If I can't do this one.
this shit could low-key be lower. I mean, this shit is low though. Definitely lower than before.
That look make it even low.
So right now I'm picking up these 4 10 mils on the bottom end. We doing the rear right now.
The shock, there's just these 3 torques for the shock. Then we have to take off your spring. The
That
2
spring
bolts there you have to.
Didn't do hell.
Yeah, there's 2 bolts here that you have to remove. I think that's a 16. Man, these things gone. Look, watch.
Yeah.
Let's see if they got any rebound.
I know they don't got no rebound because when I be driving,
Look how slow.
just absolutely shot, man. If you want these, man, $50 for both. You have to transfer this top mount over. You have to do a pass through again. I need to hold it.
Yes. Three torques hold it on, and you have one bolt at the bottom.
Right. So we showing a comparison of the stiffness of this shock, the new BC, putting all our weight.
Let's see, it rebounds. There's a rebound. This one has rebound.
Go down, it rebounds.
All right, so now let's look at your old one.
No rebound. That's terrible.
Look, I can push it really easy.
That's terrible.
It's not even coming back up.
Look, my twin called me from the towns.
Look, it's crazy out here today.
Where you at, bro? You in New York?
Yeah, look.
My boy at the meet, bro. Bottom's on, top is in.
You got those three?
Yeah, and it's set. I got it set to 16 on the damper. Yes, sir.
Yeah, but right there's the perfect height. Don't lower it, don't do anything.
I know.
That's the perfect height, the perfect fitment.
That shit gonna settle. Yeah, like that's perfect.
That's the perfect fitment.
That's perfect. Y'all see, man. Y'all see, man. Y'all see. Come on, man. We outside, man. We here. Man, we did it, y'all. We did it. And we slammed. I mean, that's fucking low. That's tucking. Like, nah, yo, this shit so clean. This shit crazy. That shit crazy, yo. Y'all see the vibes, man. Slammed on BCs, man. We finna throw the decal on too. Stop playing. Well, thanks, BC Racing. I'll gladly throw this on the V. Say no more. Yes, Sirski. Low boys. I mean, this shit is tucking. Like, I don't know how well you guys can tell on the camera, but this shit is tucking. Like, this shit is low, and it is definitely tucking in the rear, bro. And it's gonna settle like another inch. That's the crazy part. Like, I can't even imagine once it settles, bro. Again, rear fitment is beautiful. Rear fitment is tucking slightly. I mean, it's just perfect in the rear. This is like, that's perfect in the rear. The front, I still feel like we can go lower in the front, man. Will is telling me to drive around a bit and see what it feels like, and then we might do some adjusting, but for right now I'm gonna leave it as is. I feel like it's looking perfect though, especially on this side. Passenger side is just insane. I mean, like, the fitment is just absolutely out of this world. F30 is looking beautiful, guys. We ready for Orlando, man. Invasion, man. It's gonna be a movie. F30 slammed on BCs, man. Represent the team, man. Represent the team. It's your boy 6, man. Stay tapped in with me. I appreciate y'all for tapping on this quick banger, man. I don't know how long this video is gonna be when I finish editing, but we'll see, man. I'm gonna take it around the block, see what it feels like. Maybe see if the coils, springs kind of settle a bit. Subscribe to the channel, man. We just hit 1100, man, real quick.
Give me
man. It's going to Orlando. Mad content, mad POVs, man. Y'all know the vibes, man. It's your boy 6, man. Tap in, subscribe to the channel, man. Subscribe to the channel, man. We lit. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Let's go!